Bimovador is a BIM company, but we go beyond traditional services by combining AEC expertise with software development and AI. We build specialized tools that remove friction from BIM workflow, reducing human errors, cutting rework, and improving productivity. One major bottleneck in construction is the manual and error-prone process of checking designs against building regulations. That's why we created NormaCheck, an automated platform that delivers high accuracy, compliance checks, and instant documented report. Now, let's take a look at NormaCheck.
NormaCheck. NormaCheck is a model compliance platform that checks building codes and regulations directly within the Revit environment, providing real-time visualization and documented reports. Once the model has reached a suitable level of development and the project is ready for an initial review, we go to the NormaCheck tab in Revit and choose Select Laws to define the scope of the compliance check. Because our company is based in Spain, we started by integrating a broad range of Spanish regulations. This includes CTE, RITE, and local regulations, covering multiple chapters and more than 60 rules. Naturally, any requirement that depends on information not available in the BIM model cannot be checked automatically, such as some construction site safety rules. For this demo, we will select a few different rules to show the range and flexibility of the system. Next, in the Settings window, we define the parameters that cannot be extracted directly from the model. These include the climate zone, the type of intervention, the ventilation system, vertical access, construction characteristics, and acoustic requirements. At floor level, intended use, occupancy, and fire compartmentation can also be entered in a very simple and intuitive way. If a specific rule requires missing information, or if a value depends on user input, the Required Inputs window appears automatically and requests only the necessary data. Once the missing values are entered, the analysis continues seamlessly. The results are then shown directly inside Revit. In the Resume General tab, we can see the overall compliance percentage, non-compliant cases, and the status of each rule in both numerical and graphical formats. In the Details tab, the results can be reviewed at element level, from the building itself down to individual floors and spaces, along with the parameters used for each verification. Users can also filter and sort the results and directly consult the regulatory text, ensuring transparency and traceability. Finally, the report can be exported as a PDF or saved as an Excel file with two tabs, Resume and Details. In this way, NormaCheck integrates rule selection, parameter definition, analysis, and formal compliance reporting into one seamless workflow inside Revit. NormaCheck. Bimovador.